Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do unboxing of Seagate Hard Disk, which is 4 TB, but this is special one which comes with a hub. In this video I'm going to cover what all comes in a box and why this hard disk is not best for Mac laptops. This comes with these two boxes inside. You can connect this with USB-C or USB 3.0 with your external hard disk, or you can charge your phone. So if you connect it with the external hard disk, it is going to be extendable memory like 4 TB, and if you connect it with one more TB, then it becomes 5 TB. Here one is to connect it with the power cable and other is to connect it with your laptop to transfer the data. In another box they give data cable and all the plugs. You name the country and they give you the plug of that country. This hard disk needs power cable all the time to use. So now I'm showing you how to connect the plug. See these two grooves, and then you just have to click to take out, push, and done. Now we are at the most important part of the video. So micro B part goes to your hard disk and USB 3.0 that goes to your laptop. If your laptop has USB 3.0 or 2.0, then it works flawless. I'm using MacBook M1 Pro that doesn't have USB 3.0, though it has Thunderbolt 4 port that can be used with USB-C cable. So this kind of a cable going to work with Mac and Seagate hard disk. I have found this on Amazon. I already mentioned the link in the description. The speed of the wire is good. Other solution is you can also use converter for hard disk cable, that is USB 3.0 to Thunderbolt 4 or USB-C. Both will going to work. Hard disk comes with Adobe and Milo subscription. Just to give you a size idea, this is my WD My Passport 500 GB hard disk. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe my channel and I will see you on next video.